Hi, my name is Karen Martiz. I am the founder of Lash Blvd and creator of Lash Like a Pro online training course. As a lash artist, we often feel that we are in such a specialized industry that we forget about all the other services that we can also offer to our clients. By doing this, it will help you generate more income for your business. By offering different services, you can keep your clients really coming back to you, not just for lashes, but also for skincare, for eyebrow shaping, for eyebrow tinting. There is a lot of different services you can include. For example, you can incorporate a lip treatment during your lash application. You can actually do this service while you are applying eyelash extensions to your clients. There's some products like collagen lip masks, or you can find products that will exfoliate your customer lips. You can do this as an add-on to your lash application. It would probably take you about 2 minutes to get it on your client and do the entire process, and just let it sit there for about 10 to 15 minutes. This will increase your ticket price for another $10 to $15. So if you're already charging your eyelash extensions, let's say $55, and you add another $10, now at the end of your service, even though it took you the same amount of time, 60 minutes, you will not charge only $55, but $65. And if you continue to do this with every one of your clients, you will see how your revenue starts to increase. Other services that here at Lash Blvd we like to offer to our clients are express facials. Express facials usually don't require your clients to get undressed, don't require for you to do any hand massages or anything like that. They are very short. Usually doesn't take any more than 20 minutes. We can set those up right before a lash application so it doesn't affect the application. You do a very simple process. You want to cleanse your client's skin, you want to exfoliate, maybe offer either an enzyme or a hydrating mask, maybe add a little bit of oxygen. This usually would increase our ticket price for another $50, and it takes us 20 minutes to do. And then we proceed to do the eyelash extension services. You also want to include products that you can sell. So if you're doing skincare, you want to offer a skincare line that you believe in, a skincare line that you wouldn't mind selling. Maybe it's the skincare line that you already use. So think about this. You're done with an express facial that took you 20 minutes. You're walking your client out to check them out, and you tell them, look, and by the way, if you want to continue to maintain your skincare routine at home, I highly recommend this product. The product adds an extra $50 in revenue to that specific service. And don't think about this upsells as a sell to your client. Think of it as a way to help them. We all need a skincare routine. Sometimes we're just not aware about them and we don't know where to look for them. The worst thing that could happen is they can say, no, thank you, but at least you put it out there. Next time they come back, maybe it's the time that they will say yes. As you can see, there is a lot of different ways where you can increase your business revenue by offering a lot of different things to your customers. Think outside the box, come up with different ideas, different specials, bundle different services. This will help you grow your business. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. At Lash Blvd, we're here to empower you become the best you can be. Comment below, let us know what you would like to see next. Make sure to subscribe to future videos. And for all your lash extensions needs, visit lashblvd.com. We will see you soon.